Yo, 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 what is good, y'all? So, be back at it again with another live trading video. So, we are looking at NQ right now. Looks like we've transitioned into a downtrend. I actually ended up catching this move down on a light trade yesterday after live trading. Got a little bit of the money back. I ended up staying in on this reversal, so I wasn't able to catch as much profit as I was up. But it is what it is, man. The L yesterday was like cut in half. So let me pause this right quick and get signed into Tradeovate. Okay, there we go. Let's jump into this now. So looks like we are currently bouncing at this liquidity zone. The pre-market liquidity just got swiped. That was a good long entry down here. I'm gonna go ahead and add my fixed range volume profile. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. So it looks like we might head for the London session liquidity. Maybe. I wouldn't count on it though. Okay, so these volume levels, we're retesting these volume levels right now. I'm not taking it because it's very early on in the day, but this most likely is going to bounce and head to the next area of high volume from pre-market. That's pretty much a given. Probably won't go lower than here because that's where the volume drops off. Yep. Retest that area of high volume. We are in a downtrend though, so I'm not interested in taking longs. Obviously, after yesterday, we've broken down quite a bit. Made a lower high here. After that first lower high, you pretty much already know the market's not gonna be very bullish anymore. So let's just wait to see what happens here. Pre-market value area low got tapped perfectly as well. Just due for a bounce. See what ES is doing. Similar thing on ES. ES is above the value area high though. So this looks a little scarier. Yep. Got that bounce off of the area of high volume, like I mentioned. So now I would want to see market come back into these levels, and I will long it into value area high. A little bit too heavy. Needs to be at 30,000, 26, 80, 28, 26. That's where my stop needs to be. Oh, wrong thing. MNQ. Let's see what we just swiped. Is there anything there that, yep, there's areas of high volume that we're rejecting off of. Yeah, it's better to short right now the areas of high volume than it is to buy the areas of low volume or buy the areas of high volume for a bounce. I'd rather take a short entry up here for the higher volume because we obviously are bearish. So I want to take that into account here. But it is only 9:41. We are now below the point of control, which obviously is very bearish. So I'm more than willing to sell down into that level. Rather be on NQ for that though. Hmm. MNQ and NQ are just having different levels for volume. Definitely don't like shorting above the point of control. That just isn't a good idea. I'm not gonna short above the point of control in NQ. It's a little bit strange how the volume levels aren't lining up. Just make sure I have everything marked out correctly. Yep. Yeah. Just have higher volume in a different area. Much rather respect the NQ levels though. Got a high volume rejection. So here's the point of control. If we get back above the point of control, longs might be in play, but again, we are bearish. So I'm not really too interested in longs right now. Let's go to the 5, see what we can see here. We're holding below the point of control, which in a way tells me that we are good to short. How many points is that? 100-point drop. Yeah. That was it, boys. That was it. Pre-market liquidity got swiped in an area of low volume, area of high volume above. That was the entry. Down into point of control or down into value area low. Let's check the developing profile now that we have some price action to work with. Yeah. Well, let's wait for POC. We'll most likely get a pullback into POC. Need a little bit more of a push than that, buddy. MES. Made a lower low there. Let's check ES here. Oh yeah. Okay. Damn. Didn't even get close to point of control, bro. Or didn't even get. Oh, we're at the overnight point of control though. I mean, I like that level too, but I just feel like it has more room up. Intraday, today's point of control is more promising than that. Yep. Value area high. All right. Let's see if we can get it. Point of control, baby. We in. We in that hole. Mm, damn. I'm about to get stopped. Go above that high. Oh, I'm out. Okay. Say goodbye, man. Wow. That's crazy. Yes.